What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is all about this headband wig from LuvMe Hair. This wig is super duper cute. Headband wigs are trending right now, which is a really big deal, and I never thought that I would like a headband wig as much as I like this one, okay? Because she is cute, honey. She is serving the girls all types of 90s vibe. This is giving me early 2000s with the gold hoops. And I just love this wig. It's super cute. They are super affordable with good quality hair. So whether you want a headband wig, a full lace wig, or bundles, LuvMe Hair has it. It's specifically for you. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and just hop into the details of this video. Okay. So this is what the wig comes in. I already opened it because I've already worn the wig because I had to write a blog post on it. So this is what it comes in, and it came with the wig cap, and it came with like multiple different like headbands. It was amazing. And it came with an edge control brush and this cute bag with bobby pins, and it also came with this cute little pin. And I already took the wig out of the box, and of course it came with like in a net. So this is the wig, and this is the color and what it looks like. Very soft. I've curled this wig before, and it is really nice. And it's super soft. I like the color. It's almost like a, remember back in the day we used to say 1B30, and when we'll go to the beauty supply store before we had bundles, we'd be like, girl, can I get a 1B, a 1B30, a 4, a F430, like with the Milky Way, honey, the Milky Way brand, Saga. Comment down below if you remember back in the day, honey. Circa 2006, 8, 9. So yeah. But this is what the wig looks like. It is a 22-inch wig. It does not shed. Like, no shedding at all whatsoever. I was a little skeptical at first because pre-made wigs, they kind of scare me because I'm not making it myself. And I have a pre-made wig that I just bought like as is, and it sheds horribly. Not from LuvMe Hair, but from a different vendor. And I'm gonna take some Edge Control by Hair Maniacs. Follow them on Instagram. Follow my girl, she's super sweet and it's black owned. Lay my edges. And let me know, back in the day, I don't know about y'all, but I know before these were made, baby, I had me an old nasty toothbrush, honey. Slick them edges right on down, okay? I'm gonna take the wig, and it comes with like this strap, and it came with 2 combs, but I cut the combs on the sides out because it pulls on my hair, but I kept the comb in the back. And I did put a elastic band in it, but I realized that I kind of don't need it, so I just ignore it. So I'm just gonna take these, and it comes with Velcro too on the headband. Take this and just like put it on like so, and then I take the back comb and tuck it under, and then take the 2 hanging straps from the built-in headband like here, and I just have it, tuck it around my ears, and strap it down and Velcro it. Now some like back here, you might want to get a bobby pin, and it does come with bobby pins, y'all. So took bobby pin, and you just tuck it in the back. At first, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I felt like Ariana Grande, okay? And I'm gonna take like this wide tooth comb. And honestly, this is best for combing out weaves in your wigs. Definitely not, you can use a paddle brush, but I prefer to use this. And don't do what I did starting at the top. You start at the bottom and work your way up. Just like with your real hair, when you're like combing and detangling your curls, start at the bottom and work your way to the top. I love this color because my real hair is not black. My real hair is like a very sandy, ashy brown color. And my curling iron, I got this from Walgreens like maybe 7 years ago. This thing is old. But I'm gonna take it and just curl it, and curl it away from my face. And they're gonna be pretty big curls too. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the curling process. See? Boom. Easy peasy. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this. Be right back. Let's try on the different headbands, okay? So we got this red one. It's cute. I like this red one. The red one is super cute. So I'm gonna flip it. Oh yes, 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 girl. She's cute. Yes, honey. We are going to give the girls what needed to be gay. Okay? Give the girls. Ooh. Yes, give the girls looks, honey. We have a baby pink one. They all are different. This is like a knot. And this one is more like a scarf style in a way. But has the elasticity. So I'm gonna do it anyway. Try not to mess my makeup up. And just pull it here. Kind of don't want the black part to show, but it's gonna show anyway. Oh, she cute. This one is more girly. I like this. Okay, I like this one. I like this one a lot. This is cute. She is cute. We like her. We like her. I kind of do feel like Ariana Grande. I'm not gonna lie. But I love the color. She's cute. And then we have an orange one, which is almost like it's the same style as the red one. Same style as the red one. I'm not really a big orange person though. I don't know why. Like orange isn't really a color that I gravitate to. It's pretty on my skin tone, but it's just a color I wouldn't necessarily be like, ooh, orange. Oh, she cute. She's cute. Okay. Okay. Okay, LuvMe hair. We like her. We like her. Yes. Okay, yeah, she's cute. She's very cute. Okay. We like her. She's pretty. She's cute. She can sit with the girls. Yes, honey. Yes. Okay. We like her. And then we have a lavender mauve color. Same style as the pink one, but just different. Just like a different color. It's cute. So I like the pink one in the mauve lavender color. But it wouldn't be my first like go-to. Maybe it's because of the dress I have on, I don't know, but she cute. She's cute. She's cute. And I have other headbands like this. I have like a floral print one. She cute too. And we have the black one that's almost like the orange and the red one. It's just black, and it's probably gonna look like this, but I'm gonna try it on for the sake of the video. Let's see. Yeah. Now, yeah, same thing. She cute though. She's cute. So now I'm gonna style her, and I think I'm gonna do the red scarf, but I'm gonna do half up, half down before I put this on. So here we go. So I'm gonna take a little bit of hair, kind of like a little bit above my ears. I'm not gonna go from back here and up because it lifts up here, and we don't want that. So I'm just gonna take from like here, from right there, and take a little bit of hair. You don't need a lot. Like, you really don't need a lot. And I'm going to take brush it out to smooth it out. And I think I want it just like up a little bit. I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna name her, because I have another wig that I made and we named her Giselle, but I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna name her. So yeah, we got ponytail. Where's my hair tie? And I just got hair tie, and I'm gonna take it, and I'm not putting any product on this, by the way. I'm just gonna take it. Boom. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, honey. I love a good half up, half down style, and I've been wanting to wear one. So I'm gonna take the red headband. Yes, hunty. Oh yeah, she cute. She's cute. Yes, give the girls, honey. Give the girls. Oh, yes. Okay, she is so cute. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Here's how it looks. Yes, honey. She is giving the girls. She is giving the girls, honey. Fun, fun, fun. And then if you want to be real extra, you can wrap her around, honey. Yes, it's so cute. She falling, but you get the point. She's cute. Yes, yes, honey. We like her. We like her. This is so cute. Excuse the airplane, y'all, but I wouldn't wear a headband wig to like a formal event. I would wear it, you know, like real casual, like a cookout, or maybe like you know, when you just hanging out. I wouldn't wear it to nowhere formal or anything like that. But if you just chilling with your girls, want to go to brunch, honey, something cute like that. Nothing formal though, nothing formal at all. But I love, look at the quality of this hair though, it's so soft, and I love the color. So yeah, next hairstyle, I'm trying to see. I would probably do just like straight down like this. You can wear it straight like so, or I would maybe do like a low pony. So let me just take this off. Only thing is, you do have to be careful because I wear wig caps. I don't care what kind of wig it is, I'm wearing a wig cap. Like, I do not care. So I'm gonna wear the, I'm gonna put on the pink one. Let's put on the pink one. And y'all know what song was just stuck in my head? I don't know if y'all saw this meme on Instagram. I'm gonna put it in here. It said, Bobby Womack had the nerve to tell this lady, if you think you lonely now. And now the song has been, ever since I saw that meme, that song has been in my head like for the past day. If you think you're lonely now, wait until tonight, girl. I hope they don't flag me for this. Okay, so next I'm gonna do like a low pony. So I'm gonna take my paddle brush and just comb it back. If you want, you can like use product for this. Me personally, I'm not. So and you don't want to lift it up too high, but you know, high enough, and it just be a nice little pony. I'm gonna take my same hair tie. I probably wouldn't do the pink one with this style. I would probably do the black one, the orange one, or the red one because it's bigger. Yes, honey, we like her. We like her. You know, something simple, something cute. So yeah, so far I really like her. If you want, you can braid her, like whatever you want to do with these wigs, you can. And so far I like the headband wig. Like I said, I wouldn't necessarily wear it to a formal event like a wedding or a shower or anything that you would consider formal. I wouldn't necessarily wear it there, but I would wear it. It's like a nice everyday wig to go out, run errands, but you still want to be cute and add a little jazz with the headbands. That's what you do. And the color though, my favorite part about this wig is the color. I love the color. I love cause y'all have seen me with black wigs or darker wigs, but this isn't too much. It's just enough. Like I said, my real hair is almost this color, like sandy brown, and it has like the bolder highlight. So yes, we like her. We like her. You see that? I love that. I love that. LuvMe hair. Okay, I see y'all. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to comment down below. I will have the link to LuvMe hair in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye.